December 13th.
December 13th.
2022. Vlogmas Day 13.
Can't wait to eat some candy. Sorry, I didn't. So obviously this is what it's hurt. Spider-Man.
Is it?
And I ain't. It's not good.
Okay. Oh. Oh, he's adorable.
Oh, he's dressed
Really
up
cute.
with Santa.
Number
Oh
13.
my goodness.
A little bit of the big
Oh
one.
my gosh.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's getting there?
Oh
my gosh,
that's
there's a
beautiful.
tree in there.
A little pink Christmas brush tree. Little.
That's a blooper.
A little pink brush Christmas tree. How cute.
These are so easy. I mean, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, B, 13. Oh, what idiot.
Okay, what is it?
Another 10. Another.
Oh, and that's to make a gingerbread. Look,
Yeah.
that's cool. Is there something else in there?
Why is there so many 10s?
Because you're going to make a gingerbread. Oh, he's adorable.
Oh, let me guess the rest of them are that same color.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, was that just you? Oh. We got this fair tree over here, so.
There you go. Started wrapping gifts today. Still have a ton more to do, but at least it's starting to look a little bit more like what it should look like under a Christmas tree. I love it when it's all full of gifts. We'll get there one day at a time, right? Put the candies and the little elf under the tree from Aldi, just because they're for me and they look very festive and cute. Figured it would help fill it up, but yeah, we're definitely going to be wrapping a lot more gifts the next couple days, but this is a start. Hey guys, I want to share this really cool wine glass that I got at Walmart today. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It has a really cute gnome with the snowflakes, and it says Merry. And then check this out, it actually has a little wine bottle stopper up here. So cute. It's a really nice glass. It's 19 ounces, it says, and this was only $2, so that is an amazing price. This is such an awesome deal, so I couldn't leave this behind. So yeah, awesome little gift idea if you happen to see any of these. Yeah, I just wanted to share this find with you really quickly because I think it's super cute and I thought it was a great deal. It would make a great gift too. Walmart is definitely stepping up their game. They are in competition big time with Dollar Tree. This is awesome though. I figured I'd share it with you. So my monthly subscription box of Succulents box came in. I've had this subscription now for over 2 years. I love the packaging. It's so gorgeous. I love the subscription box and I love the way they design it. It's so pretty. It's like so cute with all the graphics on it. It used to be actually a white box, but I kind of like the brown box better. So let's see what 2 succulents they sent me this month. It's a little different this month. I'm not really sure why. Usually they wrap them in tissue paper, but this month, or bubble wrap, but a lot of times it's tissue paper. But this month they're kind of just, look at this guy. He was just like out in the open there. So that's one of them. And then the other one is right here. So let me open up this one. I'll take this one out and we'll check them out and see what they are. And we'll see what the cards say that they actually are. Okay, so I took them out of the package. Oh my goodness, this one is gorgeous. The lighting actually doesn't give it justice. There you go. You can kind of see. But it looks different on camera, but you can kind of see the coloring now. It has a really pretty like orange, pink coral hue to it. Hold on, let me try putting it over something else. Okay, you can kind of see it like that now, a little bit better. It's really, really beautiful coloring. And I'll show you the picture too, so you can get an even better look of it. And I'm just gonna use a little makeup brush or paintbrush just to brush that off and clean it up. But this is beautiful. And now let's look at this one right here. So it does look like the soil is low, but that's okay because there's always extra soil that kind of falls out in shipping. So I do have some extra soil in the box that I'll fill this up with. But this one looks like it's in really good shape too. And look, it has a little baby right there. There we go. Now it's focused. So let's check out the cards and see what these both are called. All right. So this one, there's no way I can say that name. A compressialis. Compressialis, maybe. I'm not sure. But it's an echeveria. That's this one right here. This one, though. But the other one, the name is totally appropriate. Firestorm. And that is what it looks like. I'm literally holding this right under the grow lights so you can get a better look at the coloring, but isn't that stunning? So beautiful. The name of this one is Firestorm, and it is a cedar.